my plan is to take these really old, they've been outside forever, conch shells, and paint them with some Rust-Oleum. Then I'm going to coat them with some UV archival, which will protect the blue color. And then I'm going to put and try this bright aqua blue. It'll be clear going on, but it'll absorb the sun, and then it will glow in the dark in a very pretty color blue. And these will go back outside in the garden, or it'll give them a second life. I've already painted this one in a slightly lighter blue and given its UV coat. We'll give this a try and see how it works out. This is a 2X Ultra Cover Rust-Oleum, and it's an Oasis Blue. Gives you really good coverage. Probably have to flip it back over when this dries and just do a little bit of touch up on the bottom. Color I put on here stay, even though the sun's going to hit it. It'll make it last a little bit longer. Then when I'm done and it dries, I will put the glow-in-the-dark paint on top. And the reason I do that is I don't want to UV block the glow-in-the-dark paint, and then it can't glow. In order for it to glow, the sun's got to get to it. And this is a blocker for the sun, so. I put it on pretty thick. It is now just going to dry. I was looking at the manufacturer's website, and this company called Space Beams says if you're going to put it outside, you should put a clear coat on top. This is just standard clear shellac. Dark paint by Space Beams. I think it worked really well. It painted very easily. I think I would probably recommend doing at least 2 coats, if not 3 or 4. The more coats you do, the brighter the color will be, the more light it can absorb, and the longer it will show in the garden.